fucking tired. What's up again, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy Skinny and Got Kicks. And today in this video we got not one, not two, but 4 unboxings that we have to reveal. Now I know there's been a lot of mail and shipping delays, so that's why all these shoes came in at one time, man. Like, what would I have done if I wouldn't have came home in time, like right when it was delivered? You feel me? I had a whole stack of boxes like this outside on the steps, like. But I picked them up in time, man, and we about to start doing these unboxings. So if you're new to this channel, man, make sure you scroll down to the bottom. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Make sure you hit a like on the video if you hit any of these shoes. Now this morning they did do a restock of plenty heat this morning. They had the Ronald McDonald ones, they had the Patinas, they had the Racer Blue 3s, they had the Raging Bulls. I only hit for the Racer Blue 3s and the Raging Bulls. So let me know what shoes you hit for down here in the comment section, man, if you did hit on the restock this morning. So going into the first shoe, see, we won the reservation of champs. We got the all orange Nike Dunk box. This tab reads Nike Dunk High Retro White and Midnight Navy. Now when I hit for this reservation, I got lucky because when I went to go hit for the reservation, I only had 2 minutes left. Flipping the lid back, man, all we got is that white paper. We don't got nothing on no type of logos or nothing. Pull the paper back. Now I'm not necessarily a fan of the Nike Dunk Highs, but I'm pretty sure these will grow on me. I know I did hit a double up on this pair, so I do know another one of these boxes will be another pair of these. As you can see, man, we did hit for the midnight and white navies, man. Let me know what y'all think about these down in the comment section, man. I just started barely hitting for dunks, so you guys can see my royal collection right here of the dunks. I'm telling you, man, I've been on fire lately, man. I'm surprised that I actually hit for these pairs. Leave a like if you hit for this shoe, and that right there will be it for the midnight navy dunk highs. Going into this next box, as you can see, it is a small box, so I'm pretty sure it will be the Nike Dunk High. Just like as we went through the first one, we got the, you know what I'm saying, the all orange Nike Dunk High box, same paper. And we got our double up, you know what I'm saying? We got the double up of the Nike Dunk High. So, man, leave a like on the video if you did get a double up, man. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this Nike Dunk High. See, we got the Jordan 5 box. This tab right here reads Women's Air Jordan 5 Retro Ice Blue Graphite. I'm pretty sure these right here are the Bluebirds. We got the, you know what I'm saying, Jordan 5 box, Jordan 5 Jumpman right there on the top of the box. Flipping that lid back. They gave us black trash bag paper in these. Flipping that paper back. These are not that bad. They still do look a little feminine, but on these joints, man, we got a very plush suede. This ain't even like a baby blue. This is more like a sky blue. But as you can see, this is the same type of suede that they got on the Raging Bull and the same type of suede that they got on the Great Fives, man. So this is a clean shoe right here, man. Leave a like on the video, comment, let me know if you hit for this shoe, and let me know what y'all think. Going into the last shoe, man. Yes, sir. We do have the 5 box. Got the Jordan Jumpman right there in the center of the box. We got the Jordan Jumpman at the bottom. Nike verification. And this tab right here reads Air Jordan 5 Retro Sail Orange Blaze. Shadow backboard 5, man. Flipping that lid back. We got speckle paper. Feel me? Pulling that paper back. And now in these pair of 5s, these right here just look like a pair of fly knits. How they got that sail going on at the bottom, and how this right here is not necessarily all the way white, makes it a dope shoe. Let me know what y'all think about these Air Jordan 5 shattered backboards, man, in the comment section, man. Let me know if you hit for any one of the shoes that I just showed. Comment on the bottom and let me know what shoes you hit for on the Jordan restock that just happened this morning. Thank you for watching the video. If you wouldn't mind liking the video, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel.